You need to hear this if you're always busy and tired. Life can be overwhelming, right? Between work, family, and personal commitments, it often feels like there aren't enough hours in the day. Imagine coming home after a long day, only to be greeted by a mountain of chores. It's exhausting just thinking about it. Ever wish you had a clone to help with chores? Someone to share the load so you can finally catch a break? Well, what if I told you that help is already here, and it's smarter than you think? Enter the world of AI. Your new best friend for daily life. Good news. AI's got your back. Meet Jamie. Jamie is just like you. Busy, tired, and juggling a million things at once. But she's discovered a secret weapon that's transformed her daily routine. She's juggling work emails, cooking dinner, and trying to tidy up all at once. Stressful, right? But watch this. Jamie's about to show us how AI can turn chaos into calm. Jamie turns on her AI assistant. Suddenly emails are drafted with a quick voice note. No more typing out long messages, just speak and it's done. Imagine the time saved. The smart home vacuums and starts dinner with a tap. No more dragging out the vacuum cleaner or worrying about what's for dinner. It's all handled seamlessly. An AI app sorts her schedule, reminding her about what matters most. Important meetings, family events, even time for self-care. Everything is organized and prioritized. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Captions pop up. AI saves time. AI boosts productivity. AI Tom, smart living. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the reality of Jamie's new life. She's more productive, less stressed, and has more time for what she loves. Now instead of rushing, Jamie's relaxing with her favorite coffee while AI handles the rest. She's found a balance that seemed impossible before, and it's all thanks to the power of AI. See, AI didn't replace her, it helped her live smarter. Her home is tidy, her work is managed, and she has time to enjoy the little things. It's a game changer. Ready to let AI make your life a breeze? Start exploring the possibilities today and see how AI can transform your daily routine. From managing tasks to creating more free time, AI is here to help you live smarter, not harder. Embrace the future and let AI be your new best friend.